Good afternoon, guys. Welcome to my channel. Please hit the subscribe button, the like and share button as well if you haven't already. My name is Tina. I'm with Riverbrook Soap Company, and today we are going to be making a peach soap. This should be a very easy soap pour. I've never used this fragrance before, so I'm not sure how it's going to behave. I hope that it turns out good because I do have a request for it. So if it doesn't work, then we're in a little trouble, but fortunately, she's a friend of mine, so hopefully she will be understanding about that if it doesn't work out. So anyway, without further ado, let's go make some peach soap. Okay, so here I have my oils. We're gonna add our lye solution. Okay, so here we have, we've got the same color in both of these, but I made this one a little bit lighter because I wanted kind of a distinction between the two. In here we have Always a Bridesmaid, which is the pink color by Mad Micas, and Orange Vibrance by Nurture Soap. And I put a little bit of titanium dioxide in this one to make it a little bit lighter. So we will start pouring these. This is going to be a side-by-side pour. Just a very easy, simple pour. I've kind of got to where I like that pour because it's very easy, but the soap is just, I don't know, it just has an elegance to it that it's just simple. And sometimes simple is good. Let's see if I can get that in the, where you can see that. Okay, and so we're just gonna do, like I said, a side-by-side pour again. Okay, here we go. Okay. Now I'll just kind of have to help it along a little bit. I know this looks very pinky right now, but I'm really hoping that this turns out more of a peachy color. We'll see. I know other soap makers have used these two colors together before, and the color looked really nice. So I'm hoping for the same result, but we'll see. Okay. Kind of even it out. See if we can. Okay, so today I'm back and we're going to cut this peach soap. Very nice. Pretty. All right. And there you have the peach soap.